Welcome to video 4 for this unit on proportional relationships and percentages. In this video, we're going to focus on more applications of percentages. Here is a line and a ruler marked in centimeters. If we use this ruler to measure to the nearest centimeter, the line is about 6 centimeters long. Here is a second ruler marked in millimeters. It is easier to get a measurement to the nearest tenth of a centimeter with this ruler than with the first. Doing so, we see that the line is actually closer to 6.2 centimeters long. When we are measuring a length using a ruler or measuring tape, we can get a measurement that is different from the actual length. This could be because we positioned the ruler incorrectly, or it could be because the ruler is not very precise, like we see here. There is always at least a small difference between the actual length and the measured length, even if it is a microscopic difference. The measurement error is the positive difference between a measured amount and the actual amount. Measurement error is often expressed as a percentage of the actual value. We always use a positive number to express measurement error and, when appropriate, use words to describe whether the measurement is greater than or less than the actual value. For example, if we get 6 centimeters when we measure a line that is actually 6.2 centimeters long, then the measurement error is 0.2 centimeters, or about 3.2%, because 0.2 divided by 6.2 is approximately 0.032. We can say that the original measurement is 3.2% less than the actual measurement. Say a milk carton is supposed to contain 16 fluid ounces and it only contains 15 fluid ounces. The measurement error is 1 fluid ounce. Percent error is a way to describe error expressed as a percentage of the actual amount. We can use percent error to describe any situation where there is a correct value and an incorrect value, and we want to describe the relative difference between them. Here, the percent error is 6.25% because 1 divided by 16 equals 0.0625. We can also use percent error when talking about estimates. For example, a teacher estimates there are about 600 students at their school. If there are actually 625 students, then we can calculate the percent error for this estimate is 4%, because 625 minus 600 equals 25, and 25 divided by 625 equals 0.04. Percent error is also used to express a range of possible values. For example, if a box of cereal is guaranteed to have 750 grams of cereal with a margin of error of less than 5%, what are possible values for the actual number of grams of cereal in the box? The error could be as large as 37.5, since 0.05 multiplied by 750 equals 37.5, and could be either above or below the correct amount of 750. Therefore, the box can have anywhere between 712.5 and 787.5 grams of cereal in it. The box should not have 700 grams or 800 grams, because both of those are more than 37.5 grams away from 750 grams. Thank you for watching video 4 of 4 for this unit on proportional relationships and percentages.